Did you know a single milligram of dental plaque can contain up to 500 million bacteria? That's millions of tiny invaders on your teeth right now. This sticky, colorless film is the root cause of most oral health problems, not just bad breath or yellow teeth. But here's the good news. You don't need fancy treatments to fight back. The power to protect your smile is in your hands. In this video, we'll break down what plaque is, why it matters, and the simplest, most effective ways to keep your teeth clean every day. Let's get started and take the first step toward a healthier, brighter smile. So, what exactly is plaque? Think of it as a sticky city of bacteria, food particles, and saliva forming a biofilm on your teeth, especially after eating carbs and sugars. These bacteria feast on sugars and produce acids that attack your tooth enamel, leading to cavities. If ignored, decay can reach deeper layers, causing pain, infection, and even tooth loss. Plaque that lingers along your gum line hardens into tartar, which only a dentist can remove. Tartar irritates your gums, causing gingivitis, red, swollen gums that bleed easily. Left untreated, gingivitis can turn into periodontitis, where gums pull away, bone breaks down, and teeth can be lost. The effects aren't just in your mouth. Severe gum disease has been linked to heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Your oral health is a window to your overall health. That's why fighting plaque is about more than just a pretty smile. It's about protecting your whole body. Prevention is key, and it starts with understanding how plaque works. Don't wait for pain to take action. Let's see how you can stop plaque in its tracks. Now let's talk about your daily defense. The best weapon? Your toothbrush. Brush for 2 minutes twice a day with a soft bristled brush and fluoride toothpaste. Use gentle, circular strokes at a 45-degree angle to your gum line. Don't scrub hard. Electric toothbrushes can help with timing and pressure, making things easier. But brushing alone isn't enough. Plaque hides between teeth, so flossing is a must. Use about 18 inches of floss, curve it in a C shape, and gently clean below the gum line. Not a fan of floss? Try interdental brushes or a water flosser. Both are great alternatives. Water flossers use a stream of water to clean where brushes can't reach. Finish with an antibacterial mouthwash to reduce bacteria and freshen your breath. Look for ingredients like cetylpyridinium chloride or essential oils. Swish for 30 seconds after brushing and flossing for extra protection. These simple steps, done daily, make a huge difference. Consistency is your best friend in the fight against plaque. Let me share what really changed my oral health. For years I brushed and flossed, but still had plaque buildup, especially behind my lower front teeth. The game changer? Plaque disclosing tablets. Chew one after brushing, and any missed plaque stains bright red or purple. The first time I tried it, I was shocked at the spots I missed. It was a wake-up call. Using these tablets weekly retrained my brushing and flossing, helping me target trouble spots. Another big shift was changing my snacking habits. Every time you eat sugary or starchy foods, bacteria produce acid for about 20 minutes. Sipping soda or snacking all day means constant acid attacks on your teeth. Now, I limit snacks and sugary drinks and rinse my mouth with water after eating if I can't brush. These small changes made a massive difference in my plaque control. Try them, you'll be surprised at the results. Let's recap the essentials for a healthy mouth. Brush twice a day with good technique, and always clean between your teeth. Floss, interdental brushes, or water flossers all work. Add an antibacterial mouthwash for extra protection. Use plaque-disclosing tablets weekly to check your progress and perfect your technique. Limit how often you eat sugary or starchy foods, and rinse with water after meals. These habits don't just prevent cavities, they protect your gums, your confidence, and your overall health. Oral health is self-care that pays off every day. A healthy mouth lowers inflammation, reduces disease risk, and boosts your well-being. Invest in your smile. It's worth it. Small daily actions add up to lifelong benefits. Let's make oral health a priority, starting now. Now it's your turn. What's your biggest oral hygiene challenge? Have you tried plaque-disclosing tablets, or do you have your own secret weapon? Share your tips and questions in the comments below. Let's help each other out. Remember, small changes make a big difference. Thanks for watching and investing in your health. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and check out my video on the top 5 foods secretly damaging your health. Until next time, stay healthy and keep smiling.